Hello and welcome to a special Mardi Gras edition, Muddy River Mixology Monday. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie, this is Caroline. Caroline, how are we going to celebrate Mardi Gras today?
Today we're going to do a typical New Orleans drink. The Hurricane. I've been so excited to do this because I love hurricanes. They're amazing.
Hey, how does Hurricane get its name?
From Pat O'Brien's bar?
Yeah, but why is it called a hurricane? Is it because New Orleans gets all sorts of hurricanes? No, actually, it's because of the glass that this is served in. A bulbous hurricane glass. We'll be making one of these cocktails to share today. It takes most of our mixer to make this drink.
Yeah, it's pretty strong. We have to get back to work today, so we're going to share this.
We got a lot of bottling to do today. A lot of liquor making to do today. So, how do we do this?
Well, we're double dipping. We're going to use both our Silver Carolina Rum and our Queen Charlotte's Reserve for this drink.
All right. So, in a pint glass, we make the drink, and then we're going to pour it into the
then we're going to shake
hurricane glass. So how much? How much
2
silver?
ounces of each rum. So 2 ounces of silver rum.
2 ounces Silver Carolina Rum.
2 ounces of Queen Charlotte.
Tom Cruise.
Be careful. Tom Cruise. Cocktail.
Nolans.
Oh, he didn't even use the jigger.
No, I'm a professional now. So we got 4 ounces of rum. What's next?
Next, we're going to do 3 ounces of passion fruit juice.
3 ounces.
Yes, and the passion fruit juice, it's usually not in the juice aisle with the juices, but it's in the international aisle. It's good stuff. You can make your own passion fruit juice if you want, but
all right.
I just bought that.
Next is orange.
Orange, we're going to do 1 ounce of orange juice.
All right, so that should be, what, half of this?
Yeah, I do both halves. Here, I'll go ahead and chop it. I cut that one earlier for my garnish. I do a whole orange. Should be about 1 ounce because this is a small orange.
1 ounce of orange. Fresh orange makes all the difference.
Yeah, especially with this having so much alcohol in it too.
Yeah, 4 ounces of liquor, that's a lot. And then back in the day, they were making these drinks to unload the liquor because they had so much rum and it was so affordable. Which our products are still very affordable, so I recommend the 4 ounces. Go all out.
Then 1 ounce of Grenadine.
1 ounce Grenadine. Done.
And then do half an ounce of lime. So squeeze that baby in there. Make sure I do it the right side up. Nope.
You didn't. You dumb.
That, I need lots and lots of ice. You want me to scoop it in there for you?
No, I got it.
One of his beads got stuck on the handle.
All right, got ice? That's it, right?
That's it.
So I'm going to shake this up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake.
Tom Cruise!
Keep going. Get your workout in. Work it.
This is why bartenders are always in such good shape. Get out of here.
Okay, strong arms.
I shook it.
Arms. Ooh.
I can't get it with my
Pop
beads.
some beads.
There we go. And unstrain into our hurricane glass.
Then we have a nice orange wheel for garnish. Wheel. And some cherries.
All right, well, ladies first. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe is in the description below. You can find our products in your local ABC store. And if you don't see us in your local store, please ask for it. You can also come out to the distillery every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 o'clock for tours. Once you come in for a tour, you come back forever for free. So free samples from us. Hopefully we see you soon. Happy Mardi Gras.
Yeah, cheers. I love these. You have so many beads.
That's how you do it right there.
Thanks for the beads, Mom. That are my sisters.
Yeah, how'd they get all those beads? Hello and welcome to a special episode of Muddy River Mixology. In today's episode of Muddy River Mixology, we're going to paint a happy tree.
New Orleans.